Here you'll see an example of a blog post. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move these fields around, such as the date, the title, the rating, and editing the content field, as well as the fields you see here. Let's move back to your Website Forge members area so I can show you how to do this. To begin, click on the name of the website you want to work on, select Pages, select the page group you want to work on, then select the page you want to work on. Next, you can either select Page Layout or you can select an area. If you select an area, you can then either select an individual frame or you can select Page Layout. In this case, we want the frame with the posts in it. So let's click on Frame 2. Next, let's click on the Form Builder. We want to work on the post view, so let's click that. The information you see here are directly related to the fields you see here and the layout of these fields. If you want to move a field around, put your mouse over the gray bar and using the controls you can move them up, down, left, or right. The title field, as you can see, cannot be moved. You can, however, add a control by clicking the plus sign and choosing which field you want to add. You would then select if you wanted to add it in a new row by checking the box and then click OK. This brings you to the settings of this field. You can then give your field a label and a width for the label. You can decide if you want to align it left, right, center, or justify. You can give this field a pixel width and a pixel height. This means the size of the box they will type that the author's name will go in. You can also choose to format this field. Click OK when you're done. If you wanted to delete a field, put your mouse over the field you want to delete and click the X to delete it. If you want to edit an existing field, for instance, if you want to edit the date in some way, or the text here in some way, you would click on the three small bars. By clicking on labels, you can see that I can change the text that says posted in. I can also change the width of this label. When you're done making changes, click OK. When you're done changing your form, you want to click Save here, but you also want to click Publish Site Now if your site is live, so that the changes you make here will be reflected here on the live side.